regional preferences or personal tastes. Talbina is a traditional Arabic dish that is often consumed as a warm, soothing porridge. It is made from ground barley flour and is known for its nourishing and comforting qualities. Here's a basic recipe for making talbina. Ingredients: 1 cup barley flour, 4 cups water or milk, or a combination of both. Honey or sugar, optional. Ground cinnamon or cardamom, optional. Chopped nuts or dried fruits for garnish, optional. Instructions: in a saucepan, whisk the barley flour with a small amount of water to form a smooth paste. Make sure there are no lumps. Gradually add the remaining water or milk to the saucepan, whisking continuously to combine the flour mixture with the liquid. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a boil, stirring constantly to prevent any lumps from forming. Once it reaches a boil, reduce the heat to low and simmer the talbina for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until it thickens to a porridge-like consistency. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. If desired, sweeten the talbina with honey or sugar to taste. You can also add a pinch of ground cinnamon or cardamom for added flavor. Remove the talbina from the heat and let it cool slightly before serving. If it becomes too thick upon cooling, you can add a little more water or milk and stir well. Serve the talbina warm in bowls, garnished with chopped nuts or dried fruits if desired. Talbina is often consumed as a breakfast or a light meal, and it is believed to have various health benefits. It is best enjoyed fresh, but you can also store any leftovers in the refrigerator and reheat when needed. Please note that this recipe is a general guideline, and variations may exist based on regional preferences or personal tastes.